Hello everybody. So here in this lecture, we are going to see the testing for significance. Testing for significance. So under this heading, we are going to study the null hypothesis and the variance ratio test. That is called F test. That is called F test. Okay. So what is a null hypothesis? When it is used, okay. So what happened? As we know that a sample can be analyzed by more than one method. Thus, in many cases, more than one set of result for a same sample may be available. Okay, and statistics cannot provide any information as to which of the two means is more accurate. And to decide this, the null hypothesis is used. What is a null hypothesis? Or this test is the test used by statistics to decide whether the two means differ statistically or not. Is a known as a null hypothesis. ज्या ज्या दोन मीन्स आहेत त्या स्टॅटिस्टिकली डिफरंट आहे की नाही हे डिसिजन घेण्यासाठी जे हायपोथेसिस पुट फोर्थ केला आहे, that is called null hypothesis. And this hypothesis solves the problem by defining the confidence interval around the difference between the two means. It solves the problem by defining the confidence interval. कुठे confidence interval डिफाइन करतोय तो कॉन्फिडन्स इंटरवल अराउंड द डिफरन्स बिटवीन टू मीन्स. कुठे ज्या अगोदर आपण ज्या दोन सेटने ज्या मीन्स मिळाल्या होत्या, दोन मीन मिळाल्या होत्या, त्यांचा जो डिफरन्स आहे तो डिफाइनिंग, ओके, और बाय डिफाइनिंग द कॉन्फिडन्स इंटरवल अराउंड दॅट डिफरन्स. ओके, जो कॉन्फिडन्स इंटरवल जो आहे तो वरचा जो डिफरन्स आहे त्याच्या अराउंड कॉन्फिडन्स इंटरवल आपण डिफाइन करतोय. ओके, if the interval turns out to be greater than the difference delta x bar, then the two means do not differ statistically, but they are differ numerically. Okay, the test can be applied only if we know that the two standard deviations are not different statistically. जे काही दोन स्टँडर्ड डेविएशन येणार आहे फॉर सेट 1 and set 2, that two deviations are differ only statistically. Okay, so the technique, see now, the test can be applied only if we know that the two standard deviations are not differ statistically but only numerically. Sorry, my sentence is you know, थोडासा गडबड झाली सेंटेन्स मध्ये. रिमेंबर, the two deviations are not differ statistically but they are differ numerically. Okay, in that case only we can use the null hypothesis. Now see, using following expression calculate the value of t. कशी काढणार आहे? So t calculated is equal to x1 bar जे की सेट 1 ने मिळाली, x2 bar from set 2 upon s, okay, in square root n1 n2 upon n1 plus n2, where x1 is a mean obtained by observation of a set 1, x2 bar is obtained by the mean of the observation of set 2, n1 are the number of observation by set 1, n2 are the number of observation by set 2, s is the standard deviation. How we find out that standard deviation? Here it is, this standard deviation. How we can find out? We can find out that by under square root of summation of xi minus x bar bracket square plus summation of in bracket xi minus x2 bar bracket square upon n1 plus n2 minus 2. हा जो यस आलेला आहे तो कुठे टाकायचा आहे? तो टी कॅल्क्युलेटरच्या फॉर्म्युलामध्ये टाकायचा आहे आणि याची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला काय करायची? फाइंड आउट करायची. मग ती काय करणार आहे बघा. if t calculated is less than t tabulated, then null hypothesis is valid and two means do not differ statistically but they are differ only numerically. This is what the important. If t calculated is greater than t tabulated, then null hypothesis is not valid. So the two mean are not only numerically different but also statistically different. Okay, so this is the only condition which is valid condition for us to consider the null hypothesis or the consider the two set of observation. Okay, now what is the variance test? What is the variance test? The variance ratio test used to find out whether the two standard deviation obtained for two set जे की अगोदर बघितले होते आपण त्याच्यासाठी दोन्ही ठिकाणी आपण स्टँडर्ड डेव्हिएशन कॅल्क्युलेट करणार आहोत. Two standard deviation obtained for the two sets of observation of the same sample differ only numerically, differ only numerically or statistically as well. Variance is defined as the square of the standard deviation. Variance is defined as the square of standard deviation. ओके, जो स्टँडर्ड डेव्हिएशन येणार आहे त्याचा स्क्वेअर म्हणजे काय आहे, व्हेरियन्स आहे. The ratio of two variances for the two set of observation are considered in this test. Are considered in this test. The ratio of two variance, okay, ratio of two variance is considered in this test. Hence, the name variance ratio test is given. Now see, calculate the standard deviation S1 and S2 for the two sets. S1 and S2 for the two sets. Okay. Now calculate the variance ratio, which is known as a F, in a such a way that it should be greater than 1. Means the greater value of S has to be taken in numerator and the smaller value has to be taken in denominator. S1 जर greater असेल तर numerator ला असेल आणि हा denominator ला असेल. किंवा S2 जर greater असेल तर हा numerator ला असेल आणि हा denominator ला असेल. In this way. Okay. So consider in this way. Okay. जो greater आहे तो numerator ला आहे आणि जो smaller आहे तो denominator ला आहे. So from the table of F value, okay, that is given the table 4 जे तुमच्या पुस्तकामध्ये किंवा मी ज्या तुम्हाला हे पाठवलेले आहेत पीडीएफ फाईल पाठवलेली आहे त्याच्यामध्ये सर्व टेबल अवेलेबल आहे. त्या टेबलला स्पेस जास्त लागत होता त्या कारणाने मी काय केलं की ते पुस्तकामध्येच त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही ते बघू शकतात. ओके, फॉर सी नाउ हियर F values for a given number of observation and for a given probability level obtain the appropriate value of F. Then compare the F calculated with F tabulated. If F calculated is less than F tabulated, then two standard deviations are not statistically different but only numerically different. कसे फक्त न्यूमेरिकली डिफरंट आहे पण स्टॅटिस्टिकली डिफरंट नाहीये. कधी जेव्हा F calculated is smaller than F tabulated. But if F calculated is greater than F tabulated, in that case, two standard deviation not only differ numerically, but as well. म्हणजे ते न्यूमेरिकली पण डिफरंट आहे आणि स्टॅटिस्टिकली पण त्या ठिकाणी डिफरंट आहे. ओके, सो दिस इज द क्रायटेरिया or where we have to consider our results. Okay, so this is what the variance ratio test. Okay, there are example in book. Okay, so while solving the example, be careful. Okay, if you find any difficulty you can contact with me. Okay, so due to time constraint I have taken the theory of all these tests. I am going to take the assignment of your example. Okay, so I will discuss the remaining part in your WhatsApp group. And this is what the end of this lecture and unit number 3. So this is what the end of your syllabus for semester 4. Thank you.